Hey, Divine One, I'm glad this found you. If you let feelings of anxiety and overwhelm and stress and doubt kind of take over your day or parts of your life, I want you to keep listening and try to put what I'm about to tell you into practice, okay? So breathe with me first, get nice and grounded, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And now as you're sitting here in this present moment, continuing to breathe, what I want you to do is notice your physical body. Notice how it feels. Notice your thoughts. Notice the sensations within you, the emotions that might be coming up. And as you're here in this present moment, I want you to take 3 steps backwards. And I want you to become the observer back here, the one who is observing your physical body, the one who is observing your thoughts, the one who is observing your emotions, right? Unattached from everything that's happening here. Becoming this conscious awareness, the part that you really are, and allowing yourself to see through that way. And as the thoughts and as the emotions and as the feelings come up, continuing to take a step back into this level of consciousness will allow these feelings to move through you. What ends up happening is you're always this level of consciousness, right? But the law of attraction brings that consciousness into hyper focus. When you stub your toe, you're immediately mesmerized by that feeling and all of your consciousness goes straight to that pain, right? When you have the doubts, the fears, the heartbreaks, when somebody says something mean, your consciousness is immediately attractive to whatever's taking up the most space in your life. And so it starts to ruminate on all of those different thoughts, all of those different feelings, that different situation, and we get lost in it and we're no longer here present in the moment. But when we can remember that we are this consciousness back here and allow ourselves to observe life, observe the emotions, the sensations, the good, the bad, the right, the wrong, simply observe it from an unattached place, it moves through us with ease. It doesn't grasp our attention and take all of our focus. And instead we can say, what a beautiful sensation is moving through me, or an uncomfortable sensation is moving through my body right now. And we can take a step back from it and allow it to do its thing, and then we can direct that consciousness back into the present moment, back into what we want to create, what we want to feel, what we desire in life. It's this consciousness and its focused attention that creates new realities, that allows us to literally shift the things we see and experience in life. It's just most of us aren't aware or allowing ourselves to focus this conscious energy onto the things we want. We're letting it get pulled into all of the things that we don't. So practice this today, stepping back and being that consciousness, and see how it shifts your day. As always, breathe deep and plan on miracles. Let me know your thoughts.